This is the Smart Door Lock. It is the result of a collective obsession to simplify your home security. A hypersensitive fingerprint reader lets you use your finger as your own unique key. You can also configure this to work for your entire family. This also has a built-in RFID sensor that can be configured to an unlimited number of users and cards. These can also be deactivated at your will. A backlit keypad on the lock lets you set individual passcodes if you wish, for additional convenience. And of course, the combinations are virtually limitless. Control through the Hogar Pro mobile app lets you unlock your front door from anywhere on the planet. And as a backup, you can always unlock it through the good old-fashioned key. Yes, there's more! Now monitor your home through real-time access notifications on your app. Got guests coming over for the weekend? We got you covered. Assign temporary passcodes to your guests or the delivery guys and it works in perfect sync with your smart home. A keyless deadbolt makes it completely secure and tamper-proof. Its robust design makes it fireproof, shockproof, and immune to hacks. In short, the Hogar Smart Door Lock is the most secure lock you will find, and our unmatched warranty and service gives you that added peace of mind. The Hogar Smart Door Lock. Smart, secure.